So over here you can see that I have some layers in timeline. So I have two video layers right here and one audio layer. If I were to go around and press the play button over here, then I can hear out the audio and I can see the videos as well. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and hide one of these video layers right here. So let's say, for example, I want to go around and hide out this top layer over here. In that case, I can click on the eye icon and the video disappears, as you can see right there. So what is happening is that it's not deleted. This clip is not deleted, but it's just hidden right here. Similarly, if I were to go around on with the audio right here, then I can simply mute out the audio by clicking on this speaker icon, as you can see right here. So that is what is happening. It's just hiding and it's not actually deleting out the layers right here. If I were to go around over here, you can see that I can enable and disable these layers out as I like. Similarly, what you can also do is you can lock out the layer. So right now I'm free to move this clip right here, but if you want to prevent out accidental moving of video clips or audio clips, then what you can do is you can press the lock icon right here. Once you do that, you can see that there's stripes that that cover up that particular layer. And if I were to click and drag, then it does not allow me to move those layers. But over here where the stripes are not there, you can see that I can freely move out the video clips as I like. So I can go around over here and then click on the lock icon to unlock it, and that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can show and hide the timeline layers and even lock and unlock the timeline layers inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.